So today we are getting ready for moving day, which is tomorrow, where I will be moving from the RV park, which I've been at for the last 2.5 months, and I'll be going to Nearfest at the Boston 4-H Fairgrounds. So one of the last things on the list for RV upgrades before I started moving was the lock on the door. So I purchased this Grouch RV door lock kit with a keyless entry and little remote key fobs. It was fairly inexpensive in comparison to all the other ones. It was just a little under $100. So we're going to get this installed and see how well it works. All right, here we go. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. We've got our instructions. We got our 2 little key fobs with a little cover so you don't accidentally hit the buttons, I guess, while it's in your pocket. We got batteries, keys, a new striker plate. This is a pretty neat thing. So this came in the kit. It's a little micro multi screwdriver, and so this will come in handy for taking the small screws out of the battery compartment here. So this is the lock itself. So there's a number pad. It's got lock and unlock buttons, and then it's got the keyhole. When this is locked, the handle itself is locked as well. And so there was a lot of ones that I was looking at online that were more expensive than this, that the handle didn't lock. It had like a little turn knob, and to me, a turn knob is not secure. So the instructions here is a little 4-panel fold out. So how to remove your existing, how to install, and then the instructions. The instructions are where I'm going to actually need this, because I'm going to need to know how to set the password and how to do the remote unlocking and locking. But all right, let's get into this and get it installed. In case you were wondering, this is the Klein Tools. I believe it's a 11 or 12 to 1 screwdriver. It's got extra bits down in the bottom. I'll put a link in the description where you can get this. I really like this screwdriver. I'm going to put all the screws back in the old one just to keep things together. This wire right here should be tucked underneath this plastic and coming out that hole so that it doesn't interfere. So it looks like I'm going to have to take this plastic cover off and feed the wire in through the right way. So now the latch is installed. Let's take a look at the directions so we can get it programmed. Let's use the little screwdriver. Open the battery compartment up. These are little tiny screws. All right, so I just opened a key fob to put a battery in it, but they come with a battery already installed. So don't take apart your key fob to put a new battery in, because there's one that comes with it. All right, key. That's locked. Unlocked. All right. And then I should be able to hit the button. And yep, she is indeed locked. All right, so according to the directions, the default is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unlock. There we go. All right. Now, in order to program your own code, on the inside is a settings button. You hold that down for 5 seconds, and then we can change the code to whatever we want. Not going to record that part because you don't need to know the code. But so far, that's pretty cool. It's pretty easy. One last thing we got to do here. Oh yeah, it's pretty. Look at that, shiny. All right, well, so there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.